What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a big day planned ahead. I'm actually going skydiving. My daughters and mummy V got it for me for my birthday, and I actually haven't used it for a couple of years, but we're going to use it today. So that should be pretty exciting, and then we're going to take the kids straight down to the beach to have a go on the jet skis. So without further ado, let's get it.
1, 2, 3, pick it up now!
And just a quick reminder, if it is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure you don't miss out on another video. Alright, back to it.
What's going on with Res?
Yeah, what's happening, brother?
Skydive today, first jump.
Alright, first jump, ready to go, super excited. The aim is to hopefully do enough jumps and do the course so that I can actually jump solo at some point. So I'm ready to smash it with my man, Oscar De La Hoya.
Alright, have fun.
Yeah, feeling good. Ready. No, excited.
See you later.
We'll see. When I'm hanging out the plane. Yeah, that was awesome, man. That was awesome. My ear popped. A bit of a what do you call this? A harness G-string. But outside of that, it was sick.
Are you happy today?
Yeah, happy.
Mission complete.
Done.
Thank you for skydiving with us.
Put that on. Yeah. Oh, hey,
Fucking hell.
I got it!